This video will showcase SilverLeaf's seasonal grow times. This functionality allows users to set up specific tasks and length of time for each task based on seasonality. First, we need to set up our seasonal grow times. Seasonal grow times can also be considered or called planting windows. Different items may have the same planting window, so we can group various items into the same seasonal grow times, even though those specific items may have different tasks or lengths of those tasks for production. Here you can see we've set up some grow times for different seasons and different months of the year. In these examples, we're planting by the week. So we need to set up our planting windows by week number. You can set up a range of weeks within a single year or even multiple years. You can even set up multiple ranges within a single year. Here you can see between week 39 and week 52, this grow time will be used. Additionally, this grow time will be used between weeks 1 and 5. Now that we have our seasonal grow times set up, we need to apply them to our routings. So when we go to our routings, I've got one set up already for us. This is where we're going to create the specific tasks and length of time for our products in production. We can set up all the necessary tasks, even those tasks that are not used in all seasons. We can skip those by using this skip line if 0 total time. Once all of our routing steps are created, we can do what's called create seasonal grow versions. This is the collection and selection of those seasonal grow times. Once we've selected the specific grow times that we want associated with this routing, we can click OK. I'm going to click cancel for this example because I've already done it. And now we're in our grow versions. So here we are now seeing all of our seasonal grow times or planting periods as our rows and all of our routing steps as columns. And now we can indicate, based on the seasonal grow time, the length of time each one of these routing steps takes, whether that be by a unique day or number of weeks. We can use our ending date formula or our setup time to make this simpler for the users. So now that we have our seasonal grow times and versions set up, what we can do is we will certify our grow versions to make sure that this can be used. And now this is ready for use. I'm just going to go to one of our examples that I've already created. So I've already created 2 different grow orders for the same item, but that start at different times. So now I can take a look. If I see here, I can click into grow phase 1. This plant is starting on February 21st, but we now see specific 4 weeks for grow phase 1, 22 days for grow phase 2. Well, that is one of the seasonal grow times. But if we go to our next item here, which is again the exact same item, but starting in April, when we go take a look at our routings, we can see that it's 16 days for grow phase 1 and 20 days for grow phase 2. This is because seasonal grow times were used and identified the distinct length of time for each one of those tasks for these items. Thank you so much for listening. Please contact us if you would like to learn more about SilverLeaf.